Good morning, student. We are studying Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. In our previous module, we have studied about the 5 nutrition stages. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Today, let's learn how different animals take in and digest food. Let's start with nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a single cell organism which eat microscopic animal and plants which float on the water. Nutrition carried out in 5 stages just like other animals. As you can see here, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now what happened when amoeba sends food? It surrounded the food with finger-like structure called pseudopodia. Now pseudo means false and podium means foot. False foot. These false foot join around the food particle and trap it in a food vacuole with a little water. This stage is ingestion stage. Now in digestion stage, digestive juices are secreted in food vacuole where the food digested and absorbed by the body of amoeba. Now undigested food moves toward edges of the body and burst and then thrown out from the body. That's how nutrition complete in amoeba. Let's understand the process of nutrition in human beings. It's a complex process that involves different organ and organ system. Different organs form digestive system which help in digestion of food. So the process of nutrition starts with the intake of food that is called ingestion. Teeth and tongue help in ingesting food. Food is chewed with the help of teeth. And there are 2 sets of teeth in human beings. Temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. By the age of 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. They are called milk teeth. Now by the age of 6, a child starts losing the milk teeth one by one and new teeth grown in their place. They are called permanent teeth. An adult has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. We human beings are omnivorous, so we eat plant as well as flesh of other animals. On the basis of this habit, we are having 4 kind of permanent teeth. Incisor, these teeth are found in front of the mouth and used to cutting and biting the food. So they are called cutting teeth. There are a total of 8 incisor. 4 in upper jaw and 4 are laying in lower jaw. Then canine, they are sharp teeth found next to incisor and help to tear the food. So they are called tearing teeth. There are a total of 4 canine, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Then premolar. These bold and flat teeth are used to crack and crush the food. So they are also called cracking teeth. There are a total of 8 premolar. 4 are laying in upper jaw, 4 are laying in lower jaw. Then molars. These are found at the back of the jaw and used to grind the food. So they are called grinding tooth. There are a total of 12 molars. 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw. So there are 4 type of permanent teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molars, which helps to break down the food into small particles to make it easier to digest. So children, every adult has a set of 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. And there are 4 incisor, 2 canine, 4 premolar and 6 molar in each jaw. Tongue is a muscular organ and it helps in mixing the chewed food with saliva. Saliva breaks down the starch into simple sugar that is easily absorbed by our body. It has taste bud that detect different tastes present in food: salty, sour, bitter and sweet. So tongue also help in ingesting food.